Governor Issa Timamy has defended the 59 million shillings variance between the financial statements and the Ifmis data for the year 2014. Appearing before the Senate Public Accounts Committee, Timamy told the committee that the discrepancy was occasioned by a collapse of the Ifmis system, forcing the county government of Lamu to sort out its finances using a manual system.
It's a real challenge to especially the outlying counties. One, because of connectivity, and secondly, even as Council of Governors, we have raised this at various forums that there are challenges with Ifmis, especially, and it is common, at the end of the month when you need to make payments. That is when Ifmis is not online. We are not able to access. So it is a common challenge to all the counties, and it is our plea that perhaps you should summon the Treasury to explain what these challenges are.